with their own culture and their own history that turn what we have here this into like a product.
Right.
So this is used.
So this is afval.
This is afval. Yeah, exactly. So this is Anna. Anna, introduce yourself.
Hello.
This whole
Hi.
and I didn't got your name.
Yeah.
Jörg.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did I just hear you say that this is garbage? It's actually so. We transform it from garbage into what you see here. In, yeah.
Great.
Into delicacies.
I mean,
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
this is garbage from the market and it transforms into
They have
food.
6,000 kilos of vegetables and fruit each week.
Oh, wow.
How much?
6,000. More than 6,000.
And you go to the market and collect it there, or are there people who bring it, because that's a lot of organization?
We have several sources. So we collect it ourselves, and we're now busy with some youngsters in the neighborhood who are going to collect it for us. And there's a man in the Cascoland. He used to be this boxer, and he has a big business collecting also, and also producing, of hoe zeg je dat, distributing it through whole Amsterdam.
Great.
So
I have to run actually, but
ja, oké. Ja.
Yeah, see you.
Jij komt ook niet meer vandaag. Holger is een oude vriend. Ja, van. Ja, goed, ja, dat. Maar, oh, goed, oké, dat wilde ik weten.
Maar heb je, do you have problems with vandalism or something?
Not at all.
Great.
No.